Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to create Truth Social account. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. After downloading the Truth Social app, launch it. Click on Create Account. Now click on Let's Go. Enter date of birth. Enter phone number and click on Send Code. A verification code will be sent to the number you entered. Enter the code and click on Verify. Now enter username. Create a strong password, at least 8 characters. Enter email address and click on Next. You will receive a prompt: your account has been created. Click on Continue. Upload your profile picture. Enter display name and bio. Add website and location if you have one, or you can skip this process and do it later. Choose accounts to follow and groups to join and you are all set. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.